Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, we love cuss out Saddam already, right? But tell me something. You think say we any better today than how Saddam did be back in the day? Hmm? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, may I beg you, click the like button and drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 11 from verse 20 to verse 24. Then Jesus start curse out the city them which part him did do most I miracle them. Cause then they turn away from their sin and beg God pardon. Him say, trouble for you, Chorazin. Trouble for you, Bethsaida. If the people them will live in a Tyre and Sidon did see the miracle them where uno see me do amongst uno, them would have sorry for them wrong and change them ways long time. Them would have put ashes upon themselves and wear crocus bag for sure say they mean it. But here we may say, I mean not lie. It a go easier for Tyre and Sidon on judgment day than for uno. Like a you, Capernaum. You think say God go lift you up, go heaven and honor you? No, he might fling you down a hell. Cause the miracle we uno see me do. If a Saddam me did do them miracle there, it would have still about to the day. But here we may say, it a go easier for Saddam pan judgment day than for uno. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.